Suppose f of pi over 3 is 6, f prime of pi over 3 equals negative 5, and let g is f times sine and h is cosine over f. Find g prime pi over 3 and in b h prime pi over 3. Note that when we are asked to find this, okay, this is pretty much g prime x, find the derivative of g, then replace x by pi over 3. Same thing here, find h prime, then replace x by pi over 3. Okay, so let me do a. So we are asked to find g prime, so we need to find derivative of g. So here is what we use. So g is given by f times, there is no sign, means times. Okay, here is product, that means we must use the product rule. So u v, when we find its product, u prime v plus v prime u. So using that, then we get derivative of g using this formula, product rule, f prime times sine plus derivative of sine, which is cosine, times f. That's the g prime, but we are asked to find g prime at pi over 3. So we replace x by pi over 3. So g prime pi over 3 is f prime pi over 3 sine pi over 3 plus cosine pi over 3 times f of pi over 3. Let's put the values of these functions. So f prime pi over 3 is given because f is not a specified function, so f prime is here, f at pi over 3 is there. So f prime pi over 3 is negative 5 times sine pi over 3. So pi over 3 is like 60, it's 60 degrees. So you need to know the value of sine pi over 3. Sine 60 from unit circle, root 3 over 2 plus cosine 60. You can punch in your calculator, it gives 1/2. And now we have f of pi over 3, that's given at the beginning. F of pi over 3 is 6. Okay, now let's simplify. So there's nothing to multiply, so negative 5 root 3 over 2 plus this is 2, so 2 cancels 6 3 times, but I'm going to write 6 over 2, or you can write just 3, fine. Then I can take the common denominator, so negative 5 root 3 plus 6 all over 2. Don't have to go for decimal, never go for decimal. So that's part A. Okay, now in the same way we need to find h prime pi over 3. So h prime pi over 3 means we need to start with h function, which is given here. So h is given by cosine over f. So I'm gonna write this and go from there. Okay, so h is given by cosine over the function. Okay, cosine, this division. So we got a fraction, that means we must use the quotient rule, which is when we have u over v fraction, and the quotient rule is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. This is u, this is v. Okay, so then its derivative is on the bottom square. On the top, derivative of top, derivative of cosine is negative sine times bottom minus derivative of bottom using the rule times top, cosine x. Okay, now that's the h prime, but the question wants us to find h prime at pi over 3. Okay, then thus h prime at pi over 3. So replace x by pi over 3 throughout. So negative sine pi over 3 f of pi over 3. This parenthesis is optional, by the way. F prime at pi over 3 cosine pi over 3 all over f at pi over 3 square. Let's plug in the numbers. So negative sine pi over 3, sine 60 degrees, that's root 3 over 2 times f at pi over 3. So that's given here. F at pi over 3 is 6. F prime pi over 3 is negative 5. So this is 6. So this value is 6 minus f prime pi over 3 is 5. Okay, that's given here, negative 5. So minus, we got negative 5 times cosine pi over 3, cosine 60 degrees. Cosine 60 is 1/2. All over f of pi over 3, that's 6, go up, this is same value, 6 is square, 36. Okay, we are done. Just simplify this. On the bottom we got 36. Now, like last time, I'm not gonna cancel. We can cancel, but not gonna cancel. Negative 6 root 3, that's on the top, over 2. So 2 goes 3, but I want to save this for the, because I see 1/2 in the next expression. So this is minus and negative plus 5/2. Okay, let's simplify further. On the top we can combine these two fractions. So negative 6 root 3 plus 5 over 2 all over 36. Remember, this is the original division, so you can change this division into multiplication. So 36 over 1 you keep, change to multiplication, flip, so it comes out to be negative 6 root 3 plus 5 over 2 times 1 over 36, or you can just bring this to the bottom. 1 over 36 means 36 times 2, that's 72. And no need to simplify further. I mean, there is none, by the way. Final.